In the next few lessons, we'll be discussing few important chart patterns that we'll be needing for our trading journey. First important chart pattern is false breakout. So what is a false breakout? False breakout are exactly what they sound like. A breakout that failed to continue beyond the level, resulting in a false breakout of that level. At first, let me just go through the theoretical part and then I'll be showing you the same in the chart. I know theories are boring, but please bear with me. Anyways, false breakout patterns are one of the most important price action trading pattern to learn because a false break is often a very strong clue that price might be changing direction or that a trend might be resuming soon. A false break of a level can be thought of as a deception by the market because it looks like price will break out but then it quickly reverses, deceiving all those who took the bait of a breakout. Let me show you the false breakout. You can see on the chart that market is falling. Market is in downtrend. Let me change the color. Let me take green. Okay, market is in downtrend. Okay, and after that, see, we have a bullish engulfing candle. This particular candle has engulfed this black candle, and after that, see, market started going up a little, and as you can see, this candle almost broke this particular level that has been marked by this particular red line, and it seemed like a breakout, as if from here market will go up and there will be a change in trend. Okay, but ultimately it failed to do so, and what do we have? We got a shooting star. So it's a bearish reversal pattern, and after that, what do we see on the screen? We see market fell. Again, from here market tried to go up and see resistance. Market went down, market made a support or took a support here, and see from here market started going up again, and just look at the size of this particular candle. When this candle was here, it almost looked like a big green candle, is not it? But ultimately what happened? This particular green candle faced some rejection and ultimately it became a shooting star candle. So many people, or generally what traders do, is that whenever they see a pattern like this, whenever they see that okay, market is about to go up, they enter somewhere around here, or they enter somewhere around here to make some big profits, but ultimately they end up losing their money. Mostly traders enter here whenever they see that okay, the market has gone above the resistance level or market has breached the resistance here. What they do is that they quickly enter into the market, but after that they see that oh, they're making profits. No, hell no, they are not making profits. Ultimately they end up losing their money because these are false breakout patterns. Again, see here also, after market going down, what happened? Market went up, made a shooting star pattern again. Market tried to breach this resistance, but it failed to do so, and market came down. So what do we need to do then? So whenever you'll see something like this, if a market is falling, and after falling from a particular level, market started going up, then what you should do? You should wait. Okay, mostly traders lose their money because they entered here, as already mentioned, they enter somewhere around here. But instead of entering somewhere around here, you should wait for the candle to close somewhere around here. After proper closing, you should see whether market is stable or not, whether the trend is permanent or not. When the market will give a closing above this red level or this particular red line, you should check whether does the market have the necessary energy to go up. If it has the energy, then you can easily enter somewhere out here, or otherwise just consider it as a false breakout pattern. Here also, instead of after seeing the size of this big candle, you should not enter. You should not enter here or here, but you should wait. You should wait. You should wait for the confirmation. Without confirmation, if you enter, it is very risky, and most of the time you'll end up losing money. Here also, see, it is a resistance. It is a resistance. It requires a lot of energy, and there is a resistance means that there are some sellers also who are sitting above and who are pushing the price downward. It I've already mentioned many times that it is like a tug of war situation. So you should always wait for the confirmation. Instead of entering here, you should wait for the confirmation. Or when you'll see that after one or two candles, when the market will seem stable, you can easily execute a trade somewhere out here and place your stop loss here. These are false breakouts, and you should be careful. Again, you see that this is a market. This is a key support level. This marked by this red line, and this is a key resistance level. So see, false break pin bar. If you enter here after seeing the breakout, when you see that, oh, the market has breached this line, if you would have entered here, you would have been in a huge loss. Instead of entering here, you should wait. You should wait for confirmation. You should wait to see whether the market has successfully breached this resistance level or not. You should wait for the closing of the market above this particular level. Then only it is a breakout. Otherwise, it's a false breakout. Similarly, in support level also, you can see that market crossed this line. So if you would have short the market here, again, you would have made huge loss. So you should wait for the trend confirmation. You should wait for the confirmation. You should wait for the closing, and then you should decide whether you should execute a trade or not. There are in day-to-day life or in every market you will see false breakout, so you should be very careful. Just remember, before placing the buy or sell order, you should wait for the confirmation. Same here also, this is a resistance level, and see, market tried to break this resistance level here, but ultimately it failed, and as a result, just look at the power of the downtrend. So if you would have entered here, God knows what would have happened. So you should always be careful of the false breakout patterns. So what you should be doing, you should always wait for the confirmation. If you see a resistance or support level, you should wait for the confirmation. You should wait for at least one or two candles and see the energy of the market. So this is the false breakout pattern where most of the traders lose their money. Hopefully you all have understood. Just try to practice this false breakout pattern in chart, so that you get to do it better. Thank you so much. Bye bye.